Cleaning the print head of Epson L3210 printer product buttons without PC. You can clean the print head using the buttons on your product. First, turn on the printer. Make sure no product lights are indicating errors. Hold down the stop button for 5 seconds to start the cleaning cycle. The power light flashes throughout the cleaning cycle and stays on when the cleaning cycle is finished. This will take up to 2 minutes and 30 seconds for one cycle of cleaning. Run a nozzle check or print to confirm that the print head is clean. You can check the print head nozzles in your Epson L3210 printer using the buttons on your product. Press the power button to turn the product off. Load a few sheets of plain paper in the sheet feeder. Hold down the stop button and press the power button to turn the product on. When the product turns on, release both buttons. The product prints a nozzle check pattern. Note, it can take a few seconds for the nozzle check pattern to start printing. If this video helps you, please subscribe, like, and share this video.